Hi and hello. Welcome to the YouTube channel of EIACP PC Hub SCSTE Meghalaya. In celebration of National Wildlife Week 2025, EIACP PC Hub SCSTE Meghalaya, in collaboration with Department of Zoology, Thomas Jones Synod College, Jowai, West Chanty Hills, organized a one-day workshop entitled Safeguarding Meghalaya's Endangered Faunal Species, a call for conservation and awareness. The inaugural function of the workshop started with the opening remarks from the head department of zoology, followed by the penning of posses to all the dignitaries, and then the keynote address from the principal, Thomas Jones Synod College, Jowai. Technical session begins with the first thematic talk on conservation and its challenges by Mr. Rinki. The speaker highlighted about the status of forest cover in the state and the state position in terms of forest cover as per Forest Survey of India Report 2023. This rich biodiversity notified the state as an integrated part of the Northeast Biogeographic Zone in India and falls under the Indo-Burma Biodiversity Hotspot region in the world. Mr. Lau speaks on conservation of endangered species in Meghalaya. The speaker begins by defining and explaining the term endangered species. The thematic presentation proceeded with the displaying of the pictures of the series of animals documented inside the Narpo Wildlife Sanctuary, East Jantia Hills, Meghalaya, captured through camera trapping exercise conducted by the concerned department over the years. The last thematic talk was delivered by Mr. Pasa. The speaker opens the talk by enlightening the participants about the empty forest syndrome, its causes and consequences. Participants were also enlightened about umbrella species, flagship species and keystone species and the importance of the conservation to alleviate the ecological imbalances brought forth by deforestation, hunting, poaching and loss of sea dispersal extra. The talk also highlighted the prominence of jute cultivation in Garo Hills and the expansion inside the natural forest and community forest and its ecological consequences on the endangered faunal species of Meghalaya. This concluded the technical sessions. This is followed by the group photographs and then lunch. After which, second half of the one-day workshop commenced with the birds sighting and identification activity within the college campus. The workshop then proceeded with the declaration of the name of the winners of the wildlife photography competition conducted as part of this one-day workshop. Last but not the least, the workshop concluded with a vote of thanks from the host institution. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you would like to know more of the work carried out by the center, you can find or follow us on X, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Thank you. Kublai Shibun, Syajarngu, Mithala.